Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today is February 4th and I'm in the greenhouse. Tragic. Before I start anything this garden season, I definitely would like to say thank you and welcome back to my channel. If you're first time here, I'd like that you subscribe and like my channel. Hopefully you have a good gardening season. But you know, before we even start planting anything, we have to go through the steps of planning out the garden, making sure we have enough seeds and any necessary things that we're gonna need for that. So what I'm gonna do first before I even start my garden is to plan out my garden, and then after that I'm gonna go through my seeds. I'm planning to not buy any seeds this year unless it's a very rare seeds that I don't have. Then I will buy a bunch of seeds. But other than that, I have too many seeds to say that I'm going to buy more seeds. And so that is what I'm gonna do this year. But I'm gonna plan out my garden first. I think that's gonna be the first thing that I'm going to do. Look at my beautiful trees. They're all here, sleeping, waiting for the season to wake up. And I cannot wait. So yeah, see the blueberries. I think like the first thing you always notice when you know spring is coming is blueberries. To me, like I know spring is coming because my blueberries already starting to get like little buds. Like I don't know if you can see them. Yeah. So I am going to take the time to plan out my garden, and I'm going to go through that with you guys. And also I'm going to make a list of things that I'm going to start sowing now. And then I'm going to go through all my seeds because I have so many seeds. I'm not going to buy any seeds this year unless it's something that I really like and see that I don't have, then I'll buy it. And then yeah, so welcome to the 2025 gardening season. I hope you come along with me, and I hope we have a great growing season and we grow all these beautiful vegetables and fruits and everything that we need for this new year. This year my plan is to try and grow as much food that my family is gonna need, and I'm only growing things that my family eats. I know there's a lot of times you want to experiment, maybe a 1 and 2 experiment, but I'm going to try and grow a lot of things that my family eat and a lot of things that we use a lot. So that's the plan for the garden. Here's a quick little tour of the greenhouse. I did not pull up anything. Everything is still there. So this is a quick little look how the garden is looking. Let's go outside. Okay. I didn't get a cut off piece of thread. And I'm gonna move the strawberries that's in this bed. I know it's a good thing to say companion plant with strawberries, with asparagus and strawberries. But in my experience, I think you don't get to get the strawberries, because by the time the strawberries are ready, the asparagus fern has taken over, so you don't get to see the strawberries. So I'm gonna move all my strawberries from in this bed and put them by themselves, and this is just gonna be asparagus. So that's the plan for this. I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back. Okay. So that has been cleaned out. This is the raspberry patch. As you can see, they're already starting to wake up. This is how I know spring is always on this way. And they start to wake up. I think this is blackberry. Yep, I gotta move this one. That's blackberry. Okay. Alright. Let's see if it needs moving later. Okay, so this is the garden. February 4th. There's gonna be a lot of change this year.